I pay everything full valeting because deserve this nice car, 45 pounds outside and inside, and with tax as well. You can see here your wash, ceramic, ultra HD, rain guard, total wax and diamond wax. I choose diamond wax because the car deserves that much money. Here I got the other phone in case my phone let me down. My iPhone, I got my Note 24 Ultra, which is here. Now is here to the dry machine. I put music because it's very noisy, all of this. You can see this machine is going up and up. It's very interesting because the machine and all of this, it's amazing. My car is a Range Rover, and also you can see here these nice brushes which make my car to be very nice. In front of me is my husband with me, and here you can see in the mirror nice brushes as well. And here here you can see I start the car, and now I go to the hovering here. The world's favorite car wash is I'm very happy. And also now this man show me to park the car. I am happy. Now I can go down.